Hey, this is part 2 of the demo showing how to connect Thunk to AppSheet. So last time I showed the end-to-end functionality, and this time I'm going to show how I actually set this up. And so there's two things I needed to set up here. One is adding a webhook endpoint to my Thunk so that AppSheet can send messages to Thunk. And then set up some tools in my Thunk so my AI can call the AppSheet apps API. So let me start off by showing how I added a webhook. So I'm here in the Connections tab of my Thunk, and I'm going to go to Webhooks, and now I'm going to add a new webhook URL for AppSheet. And so what this is going to do is give me a new unique URL that outside systems can post messages here. And so I'm going to copy that, go to my AppSheet app, go to my webhook step in my bot, and I'm going to paste the URL in there and hit save. So anytime a new job record is created, AppSheet is going to post the data to that URL. So that's the incoming stuff. Now let me talk about the outgoing stuff. So to do that, I'm going to go to the AI Tools tab here. And so you can just create a tool by clicking the Add button here. And what that is going to do is give me a blank tool. And a tool is basically a way for the AI in Thunk to interact with APIs in external systems like AppSheet. And so you could go through and fill out this form, give your tool some input schema so the AI knows what to pass to it, and then configure the actual like HTTP post information, the endpoint you want to post to, headers and body. What we've done is we've got some template tools here that you can use to connect to common cases like AppSheet. So I'm going to click on AppSheet here, and I just need to fill out this little form, and Thunk will create the tools for me. So I need the AppSheet app ID, table name, and my access key for my AppSheet app. So I'm going to go over to the field delivery in AppSheet and go to settings, and then go to integrations. And so let me just copy the app ID, paste it in there. My table name is job, and the access key I can just get from AppSheet right here, and I'll copy that and paste it in, and I'll click create. And so what this is going to do is give me common tools that I can use for my AppSheet app, like listing rows, adding rows, or updating rows. And so after these tools have been added, it actually automatically starts a conversation with my AI over here, asking it to just like test out the list rows tool to make sure that we're actually connected to it. So that's what's going on here in the corner. So it should be listing rows for my AppSheet app. And there you can see it's got the first 5 rows from my jobs table. And let me just ask it to update this data. So I'll say update job 1, update, I think I copied its key, update that job to have the name Hello World. So this is just me testing to make sure that the update rows tool works. And so now my AI is off running that. And we should see it update here. There you go. You can see it's updated the data there. So there you have it. We've got things coming into my Thunk using its webhook endpoint there. And we've got my AI sending information out of my Thunk by using these custom tools. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to reach out if you have questions.